A very good evening. You're with Headlines Today. I'm Aviral Virk. Patients being admitted to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences need to be forewarned. A Mail Today investigation has revealed how patient consumables, that's injections and tubes that are used in tests, etc., being used are way beyond their expiry date. The country's premier medical institute says the stock discovered by investigative journalists have been stored only to be disposed of. But this comes just days after the finance minister proposed to set up more AIIMS-like institute in the country. Are we overreaching? And will the health ministry do more than just accept a half-baked explanation from AIIMS?
It is the most trustworthy brand of government healthcare, soon to be replicated across the states of the nation. But a Mail Today investigation has blown the lid off the shocking medical negligence that takes place in the AIIMS hospitals in Delhi. Needles, blood collection tubes and infusion sets widely used are way beyond their expiry date at the AIIMS hospital. All of this taking place in the country's premier medical institute. These expired consumables being used in the new private ward and the ophthalmology and hematology departments. Writing to the health minister, AIIMS has flatly denied our report.
After a Mail Today expose which revealed that the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in the national capital has been using tubes and needles way past the expiration date, the AIIMS has now sent a written clarification to the Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, claiming that the expired equipments were kept in separate boxes and the authorities were waiting to dispose them off.
It is a very serious matter. Strict action should be taken against all those who are responsible for this. No one can be allowed to play with the lives of the people.
Anything that is past the expiry date certainly should not be used. If it has been used, it is incorrect. If, as the AIIMS is saying, that these were only the stores which were used previously and empty boxes, that may also be a valid reason. And I think due care must be taken that no patient should suffer on account of any negligence.
But these images tell a worrying story, leaving us to ask, will the health minister be satisfied with the AIIMS response or probe further? With Aditi in New Delhi, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.